BMW Fault Code P1540 points to an issue with the pedal position sensor, a critical component for throttle response. This code indicates that the sensor might not be sending accurate signals to the engine control unit, leading to performance issues. Let's break down what P1540 means, how the sensor works, the symptoms of a faulty sensor, and steps for diagnosing and fixing the issue. The pedal position sensor, PPS, monitors the accelerator pedal's position, sending signals to the engine control unit, ECU. Based on this data, the ECU controls the throttle, adjusting power output and fuel injection. When the PPS malfunctions, it can impact performance, throttle response, and even safety, as the car may hesitate, surge, or limit power unexpectedly. Signs of a faulty PPS include sluggish acceleration, unexpected throttle surges, and unresponsive pedal movement. You may also see dashboard warning lights, such as the check engine light or traction control warning. In more serious cases, the vehicle might enter limp mode, where the ECU limits power to prevent further damage. Here are some typical causes for P1540 sensor malfunction. Over time, the PPS can wear out or experience internal faults that prevent accurate signal transmission. Wiring issues, damaged, corroded, or loose wiring between the PPS and ECU can interfere with signal flow. ECU software glitches. Some BMW models may experience software glitches, which can misinterpret PPS signals. Environmental factors, heat, moisture, and other environmental elements can also degrade sensor performance. Let's dive into the step-by-step process for diagnosing the P1540 code. Use an OBD2 scanner to check if any other codes are stored in the system. Often, P1540 will appear alongside other fault codes related to the throttle system, which can provide further insights. Examine the wiring harness and connectors around the pedal position sensor. Look for frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections, which can disrupt the signal and cause erratic throttle response. Clean any corrosion found on connectors to ensure a clean electrical connection. To confirm if the sensor is faulty, measure its output with a multimeter. Slowly press and release the pedal while watching the sensor's voltage or resistance readings. They should increase and decrease smoothly. If you notice any sudden jumps or drops, this indicates a failing sensor. In some cases, BMW releases software updates to improve PPS calibration or fix throttle issues. Contact your BMW dealership to check for any available updates for your model. If testing reveals that the PPS is faulty, replacing it is often the best solution. After installation, calibrate the sensor according to the manufacturer's instructions to ensure it sends accurate data to the ECU. Regular sensor checks, check the PPS and related components during routine maintenance. Address warning signs early. Ignoring early symptoms like minor throttle hesitation can lead to bigger issues. Environmental precautions. Minimize exposure to water or extreme temperatures that can affect sensor health. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the P1540 code and restore optimal throttle response. Regular checks and early interventions can prevent costly repairs and keep your BMW running smoothly.